Here we're going to show you how to get started with some machine learning so that you can blink this LED using a predictive neural net. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video, and we'll be publishing more in the near future. So to start with, we're just going to show you the TensorFlow GitHub repository, and this is the main software that's doing all of our machine learning translation for us on our board. So there's a lot of documentation and further information on their GitHub repository, and there's also a brilliant page on the Arduino website about machine learning and AI on embedded devices. The links for these are in the description, so you can read these at your leisure. So to start with, we just need to open Visual Studio, and we need to open the Micro Explorer so that we can go and install the TensorFlow library. So because we're using this on the Arduino Nano 33 BLE board, we're going to install the Arduino_TensorFlow Lite library and then press rescan, and this will then show up in the examples section. So if you just search for hello underscore, you'll be able to see that there is the Hello World TensorFlow library example available. So if you just select your Arduino Nano 33 BLE board as normal and then click on the example project, this will create the project you now see here. We did find we had to move line 98 up back onto line 97, so it's a single line of code to get this to compile, and then we just set our USB port as normal and then build and upload to your board. And this can take a while to compile just because of the amount of code that has to be built. So in short, this is supervised learning as part of machine learning using neural networks in the regression technique. So we'll actually train our model here, or use a train model, sorry, to do the predictive part of the work. So there is further links for this in the description, and this will take you through how you can actually build your own model and train your own neural network to achieve the predictive elements that you want from your machine learning on your board. And this here is the Hello World example mapped out so that you can see how it's actually being built. Further to this, on the TensorFlow website, there's further information about how to build your own example from scratch, including building the data model and compiling it all the way down to something that will actually fit on your microcontroller. So there's a wealth of information available, and it's quite a lot of learning to start with, which is why we start with this example, which is predicting the sine value of an input number to give the flashing LED.